Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete all of your activity history on TikTok. So here, I'm going to start by going to the TikTok app. So if you want to remove or clear up your history like watch history or command history or command activity on your TikTok, you can follow the steps right here. First, let's launch the TikTok app. Then you can just go straight to your profile. Click on profiles in here. Click on the three lines icon at the top right corner. And then go to the settings and privacy. And if you scroll down, you'll see activity center. So in the activity center, this is where you can see all of your activity history on your TikTok. Here you can see the list. There are watch history, command history, search history, mention, account history, recently deleted, and this is the three settings: manage post visibility, comments permission, and also associated videos. So for example, in here, if you want to delete watch activity on your TikTok, you can click on the watch history, and then here you can tap on select at the top. Click on this select all watch history, and then you can tap on delete and delete again. Okay, so now there's no watch history available in here, so my activity has been deleted. You can also delete the command history if there's any. For example, here you can, let's try to click it. So unfortunately, if you want to delete the command history, you need to click on the command first and then go to the content. In here you can just long press on your command, and that will be this delete options, and after that it will be deleted. So you need to repeat these steps one by one. And let's try to clear up the search history. Here on the search history, you can tap on select. Then here you can select all search history. So it differs from the comment history before. You can delete all of your search history at once. So you can just repeat the steps if you want to delete all the rest of the activity, like the mention or account history or recently deleted. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.